Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, we will be learning how to update your Phantom application on your mobile device. Whether you are using an Android or your iOS, updating your Phantom Wallet app is super easy. Simply go ahead and check if you have connected your device to a stable internet. If not, make sure you do so. Now, open your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search box provided at the top, type in Phantom Wallet. Make a search for it and then open up the Phantom Wallet app, and once it opens up, you will be able to see an update button if the update is available for your application. If you don't see an update button, it means you are currently running on the latest version only, so there is no need to be updating it right away. Simply tap on update if there is an update button available, and you will then be able to install the latest version of Phantom Wallet. Downloading the latest version of an app is crucial if you want the app to run smoothly and to make it stay up to date. The latest app release comes up with bug fixes and performance improvements, so make sure to update your applications now and then for best results. That is how you can easily update Phantom application on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.